if there is any message that came out of the October 1st rally, it is this: that our freedom lies in our path. Nnamdi Kanu of IPOB tried to raise his voice so that he would liberate his people, but it was to no avail. He was jailed and he has to escape Nigeria. Showere tried. They don't even allow him to leave home. Right there at home, he was taken and locked up. Now everybody thought Chief Sunday Igboho is biting more than he can chew. But Sunday Igboho made it clear that he rested his assurance in juju, and that if the wisdom of our forefathers is anything to go by, he will not fail. He was monitored, and yet 1st October happened. I'm still scanning the news to see the jail in which he is locked. I've not got any news about it. I'm not in the country, so I don't have the liberty to go to his place and try to find out whether that is outside or inside. But the wisdom that came out of this and came out crystal clear is that until we go back to our root, we are not going to be liberated. The world will fear the Yoruba nation if we uphold the dignity of our forefathers. If we go back to what they can do for us. This fight that is going on is not being masterminded by the Christian Association of Nigeria. All the multi-million or even billion-dollar pastors that we have are not doing anything to better our lot. They are not leading anything to liberate us. But that's the example that Jesus Christ left for them. Jesus Christ laid down his life so that we can be liberated. It's not coming from the Islamic clergies. By the way, the Islamic clergies have their religion rooted in Jesus Christ. It was Jesus Christ that Muhammad was preaching. Muhammad was not pointing to himself. So when we talk of Christianity and Islam as two different entities, we are just lying to ourselves. They are just one. But with all the powers at their disposal, they are not doing anything for us. The only light at the end of our tunnel is this light shining through someone who said he can do it because he has the power of magic behind him. Don't we just learn a lesson from this? If there is going to be any Yoruba nation, we have to go back to our root. Saying we are Christians or we are Muslims, we are just the laughingstock of the world. Christianity has not really accepted us. They are still discriminating against us. Islam has not really accepted us. They are still discriminating against us. The only religion that will welcome us is ours. I'm surprised at the mulattoes coming from Southern America, upholding the dignity of our tradition more than we can even dream of. I was ashamed at the moderator of one of the programs saying, no, I'm not a traditionalist. And he's hosting a white man that is speaking Yoruba, an American white man that is speaking Yoruba and upholding our own tradition. For how long are we going to be bastards? For how long are we going to be cowards? For how long are we going to be pastors and imams? When in the true sense of the word, what we can really be and what will help us is our babalawo and all what we can be. When Aderemi Adesoji was there as the king of Ile-Ife, he was respected. And he was respected because he upheld the tradition. He will not leave his palace unless the God of his forefathers put their rubber stamp on him to do so. And everything was well for the Yoruba land during that time. Now we have bastardized our inheritance. We have called our own useless while we uphold the people that do not love us, while we uphold their dignity. A lot of stories are told and retold that shows the power of our forefathers. It's echoed all around. Notwithstanding that we go in darkness to the Babalawos, it is only the boldness of going there during the day that will liberate us. There is power in what we are left with. There is fakery in what we are running into. It's not pure, it's not true. The power lies with us, and unless we accepted that, we will not rule the world. With our traditional way of doing things, if we uphold it, we will rule the world. There's no power anywhere else except with us. Take the entity called Nigeria as an example. The Hausas and the Fulanis no more have their traditional power. The Igbos have lost theirs. They become our apprentice to have any traditional power. We still keep a lot of it, and the bastard among us that has gone out, the pastors and the imam I'm talking to, should return back home like the prodigal son. And when you return back, let us rearrange our inheritance, and then the world will respect us. Chief Sunday Igboho, all my respect to you. You have opened our eyes, and the shaft in our eyes has fallen out. We now see clearly that we are bastards, and may we rededicate ourselves to our traditional religion so that we will be uplifted in the world. The world really needs us. Thank you for listening to me. Subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, and like this video so that you can use it to encourage us. Thank you.